The Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler, Session 1, Buying a Machine.
Welcome to another Chinese Laces A to Z. To be fair, it's just a title. We're not actually going to work our way through the alphabet at all. What we're going to do is try and work our way logically through the process of buying and learning about Chinese laser machines. Whether they're Chinese laser machines or whether they're very expensive American machines or Austrian machines, it really doesn't matter. The technology is the same. The cost will be different and the quality of the engineering will be different. By that, the more you pay, the better the quality of the engineering. But there are certain fundamental things that you should look for when you decide to buy a machine. Now, the very first thing that you must do is decide what size machine do you want? What do you need the machine for? Are you a hobbyist? Are you a small business? If you're a small business, you might not want to go down this Chinese route because you may well be buying a project rather than a machine. But on the other hand, if you buy a project and you learn about this machine, you will be your own 24/7 technician.